Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make corned beef step by step. First, unwrap your corned beef and give it a good rinse under cold water. This helps remove any extra salt from the brining process. Next, pat the brisket completely dry with paper towels. This simple step is crucial for achieving a great texture. Finally, place the brisket into a large pot or Dutch oven, ready for the next stage of cooking. Now let's add some flavor. Open the spice packet that usually comes with your corned beef and sprinkle it over the brisket. You can also add some quartered onions, large carrot chunks, and celery stalks for extra depth. Pour in enough water or beef broth to fully cover the meat. This liquid will become a delicious cooking base.
Hey everyone, if you're finding these tips helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. And on another note, after enjoying your perfectly cooked corned beef, you'll want to store those delicious leftovers. Make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video.
Once everything is in the pot, bring the liquid to a boil over high heat. As soon as it boils, reduce the heat to a low simmer. Cover the pot and let it cook for about 3 to 4 hours. The goal is for the corned beef to be incredibly fork tender. Make sure the liquid is just gently bubbling, not boiling vigorously, throughout the cooking time. After cooking, carefully remove the corned beef from the pot and place it on a cutting board. Let it rest for at least 15 minutes before slicing. This allows the juices to redistribute, making the meat more tender. When slicing, always cut against the grain. This is key for a melt-in-your-mouth texture. Serve your delicious corned beef with classic accompaniments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.